Hello students, let's move on with our part 3 of chapter 8, that is Scratch. Okay, in this part we will learn two blocks, that is motion and pen. Let's start. First of all, we will open a Scratch program. It's loading. Yes, here we go. Now, today we will see how to move your sprite as we were doing in the logo program. We were doing turtle with the help of forward and backward commands and with the LT and RT commands. Likewise, the same way, here there are many instructions available with the motion block. Okay, so this white area, that is called script area. Here we write a program. But in this we will not write, we will simply drag and drop the instruction. So let's start with the motion part. There are many instructions given. We will take one, that is move 10 steps. Okay, so let's drag it and put into the script area. See, it came, drop. Okay, see, as soon as you click on that script block, your sprite will move. It is exactly same as forward command, isn't it? Okay, now we will take turn. So we will not use LT and RT command. Here there is option, the instruction available, that is turn 15 degrees. Okay, here you can also change the angles. Here also you can change the steps. See, I have changed to 20 steps. Okay, and for running your code block, simply double click or simply the click on your code block in the script area. Okay, so it's very easy. There is no need to write down any instruction. You have to simply drag and drop into the script area. So this way you can move your sprite. All the instructions related to the movement of the sprite are given under the motion block menu. Okay, very easy. You can try out this at your home. Move 20 steps means it is moving ahead in the forward direction. Okay, 20 steps means it will move 20 steps in forward direction. Now suppose I want to draw lines on the stage as my sprite moves. So what I will do? There is one block available, that is pen block. See, right now we are not having any pen block in the block area. So you can add the pen block. By clicking on the bottom blue button. By using that, you can add the pen block in your block area. See, there is a available extension, that is pen. Click on it, so it will come on your block part. So pen is now available. Simply you have to choose the pen down option that we were doing in the logo. Okay, then you have to drag it into the script area. So here now my pen is down. I will set my pen size to 10 so that the thicker line will come. Now I will change the pen color. Okay, I will change pen color by 10. So each and every time the sprite will move, the different color will come. Okay, now keep clicking on any of the blocks in the scripts area till the sprite completes its colorful circle. See, my colorful circle is ready. So it shows that your sprite is moving in circular direction and you have drawn one colorful circle. It is very interesting. Yes or no? I hope that you will enjoy Sprite and the Scratch programming. It is very easy. You are not supposed to write down any instructions. You have to simply drag into the script area. There is no need to remember any instructions at all. I hope that motion block and the pen block are clear to you all. You have to try these at your home. Thank you for watching my video.